I'm Mia, and this is Mia's Little Farm here in Nashville, Tennessee. I know it doesn't look like a lot right now. The bees pretty much stay to their beehives. My chickens are really cranky at this time of year, and everything in the garden is pretty much a big muddy mess. But come summer, this whole place is going to be transformed. It's going to be lush and green with so many amazing growing things. I've got lots of plans for a full garden transformation this year, and I can't wait to share with y'all the things I have planned. This is my main gardening area. It mainly consists of 13 raised beds. The beehives and chicken coop are also in this area. I've been gardening here for 14 years, and I grow a lot of typical garden veggies. Tomatoes, peppers, greens, onion, garlic, carrots, so many more. There's also a perennial herb bed back here. I also grow perennial flowers like coneflowers and lavender, and I have a small raspberry patch. Every year I also grow as many zinnia and sunflower as I can fit. This year the garden is getting a huge transformation. Many of these raised beds are coming out and more perennials are coming in. I'm going to figure out where I can fit a fig tree. There's going to be a bigger and much better herb garden. There's going to be a bigger raspberry patch and a large dedicated strawberry bed. I'm really excited about all the changes to be made back here, but right now it's time for a major garden cleanup.